أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم Suratul An'am Makkiyah Ayah 86 to 90 Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. With the name of Allah, the All Merciful, the Very Merciful. Wa Ismaila wal Yasa wa Yunusa wa Luta wa kullan faddalna ala alamin. And Ismail and Yasa and Yunus and Lut and all of them we made to excel over all the people of the world in their respective times. وَمِنْ آبَائِهِمْ وَذُرِّيَّاتِهِمْ وَإِخْوَانِهِمْ وَاجْتَبَيْنَاهُمْ وَهَدَيْنَاهُمْ إِلَى صِرَاطٍ مُسْتَقِيمٍ. We guided many among their fathers and their children and their brothers, and we chose them and led them on to the straight path. ذَلِكَ هُدَى اللَّهِ يَهْدِي بِهِ مَن يَشَاءُ مِنْ عِبَادِهِ وَلَوْ أَشْرَكُوا لَحَبِطَ عَنْهُم مَّا كَانُوا يَعْمَلُونَ. That is Allah's guidance. He guides with it whomsoever He wills from among His servants. Had they associated partner with Him, all they did would have been nullified for them. أولئك الذين آتيناهم الكتاب والحكم والنبوة فإن يكفر بها هؤلاء فقد وكلنا بها قوما ليسوا بها بكافرين. They are those whom we have given the book and wisdom and prophethood. So if these people disbelieve this concept of prophethood, then be not grieved, because we have deputed for believing in it a people who do not reject it. أولئك الذين هدى الله فبهداهم مقتدي قل لا أسألكم عليه أجرا إن هو إلا ذكرى للعالمين. Those are the people whom Allah has guided, so it is their guidance that you should follow. Say, I ask you no reward for it. It is nothing but an advice for all the worlds. Sadaqallahul Azim.